Greetings, fellow traders. Bubblehead here, and it's time for the daily market wrap for Friday, April 24th, 2020. I hope everybody had a great trading day today. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice, so please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. All right, let's check and see where we left off in the market today. So what a day today. So they ended up pushing it up at the end of the day, up 38 points right here. Coming back to retest, hopefully, we'll see, the mid-Bollinger Band on the monthly chart for April. Big green candle so far. They kept the week inside, so let's see if we get a breakout on that one. We're going to be analyzing this more in the newsletter this weekend, so we're going to look for some opportunities on that. So let's see if it gets a breakout there. We're still below the 30 weekly moving average, but again, we're not too far away. Daily chart is kind of the key area right here. We're still in the trend box, so we're kind of in the chop slop zone right now. But it looks like it's making a move here to try to get out of the cloud. If we can get a big push up out of the cloud, we might be able to take care of the trend box side, and then we could actually shift our trend box over there. So we'll see how that goes going into next week. The SPY, I mean, same thing, right? So we're right at the cloud right there. Let's see if we can get a breakdown on that one. Some nice opportunities today on this one. We had a long today on this, so we really like the triangle breakout right here. Right, see that level right there? So we got a nice entry on that one today for a nice trade within the group here. Let's take a look at the S&P futures. Okay, so S&P futures, really nice, guys. This is a huge triangle from the basically from way back here in at 417. So big triangle move, and we got a breakout at the end of the day there. So that's looking that looked really good there and gave some opportunities at the end of the day. Inside 15 to kind of close out the week here, but we'll see what kind of action we get Sunday night and into next week. So good stuff there. MES, obviously, same thing. So pretty interesting right there, right? Nice move, held its ADMA up for the afternoon there. Let's take a look at the Qs. Okay, so the Qs, definitely outperformed there today. Really strong stuff. Weekly chart, still an inside week there. Daily chart, strong, holding its ADMA, and it is actually above its trend line. So this is really the market leader right now. Right, the technology stuff. It's just working really well today. We had a lot of great moves on stuff from Intel to Twitter. So let's take a look at a couple of those. So we've got Apple. Okay, so Apple actually had a nice day today. So the volume came in and it broke out over the cloud right here, and it's back over its upward trend line. So it's still in the trend box, right? We need to see it get over these pivots right here, but it definitely showed some strength today and had some good volume into the end of the day there. So that's good. Tesla had a few nice bounces intraday today, ended up 20 points, failed to take the double inside day down, and worked its way up over 50% of the double inside day 50% range. And then let's see if next week we pop out of that range and get a little bit more of a move to the upside there, possibly up to those fib fan lines. Okay. Beyond. Great day today. Great follow through from yesterday's candle, right? And target would be the 200-day moving average, and it certainly hit that. Came down off of it a little bit there, but nice move on Beyond. Intel helped with its rebound today to help drive up the Qs a little bit. So it held its cloud today, 50 moving average, and came right back into the inside day range as if earnings never happened. On the flip side of things, though, Zoom took a clobbering, right? So apparently Facebook is working on a competitive software through Facebook. So I mean, it was that really took a hit today. It came back in the range. I had a great candle yesterday, and guys, when you get a nice gap up like that, it is a gift horse trade right there. So hopefully these are the kind of the lessons that we learn, right? That we have to if we're long through this, and we have a huge gap up like this, a lot of times you got to take that profit, right? Because anything could happen, especially with a drama stock like Zoom, right? So, but anyway, we'll see if anybody comes out and defends it next week. But Facebook had a nice move, looking pretty good right here. We like this for a potential swing. I like the volume right here. The only thing is right in the 200-day moving average. So see how that handles that next week. It's also got earnings coming up next week. And then also on the radar here is Pins. Pins had a nice little breakout move here today too. So from the prior day, right? It got above this trend line right here, so that's looking pretty good. So let's see if it can get some follow through on this nice volume into next week. It looks like it's got room to go up to the 200-day moving average. So definitely keeping an eye on those. So I hope everybody has a great weekend. Stay healthy out there, and we'll see you guys on Sunday night when we come back for the free live streams at 9:30 on Sunday. And of course, we'll be working on our newsletter this weekend for the group, and I hope you guys maybe can join in and check that out. So have a great weekend and stay healthy out there. Remember your risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the game. And I'll talk to you guys